Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys and you need to remove or replace intake runner actuators. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. We have it out because we'll make tons of videos guys that will potentially save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain what we need to do to remove and replace that actuator for the intake runner system. So we can cover everything from start to finish. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine will be completely taken apart, transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. This specifically guys, it's a 2013 GDI Hyundai engine and you can see right here, if you look at your GDI engine guys, if you come on the side, you're going to have that actuator. This is driven by vacuum. The vacuum line comes from the intake board. It comes to that solenoid. The solenoid is controlled by the computer and according to the RPMs it will tell, it will actually open and that vacuum will move the it will move the actuator here. So everything is controlled practically by vacuum and electricity. Now we have a special video that explains how to test the actuator, which is very easy and it takes only a few seconds practically. And now we will explain how to remove and replace the actuator itself. If you want to see the solenoid replacement, we have it on the channel as well. How do you guys replace that actuator? Let's explain now. First you need to disconnect it, you need to disconnect the vacuum line and you need to disconnect it from the intake runner itself. And how you do that? It could be two different ways. We have our pre-loosen here, but otherwise we push it in and you can get a prank tool and pry it out. It's a ball joint here. The other option is you can remove the nut, and you can pull it out depending how the new one will come guys. If it comes with that plate, remove it from the nut. If it doesn't come with the plate, remove it from top. So you need to pry it out. Then we need to disconnect the vacuum line here. Make sure not to break your solenoid. You can easily do that. Then we have two 10mm bolts that we need to easily remove. And the moment we remove those guys, we should be able to pull that thing out. So I'll go ahead, grab it. It's very important, for your engine to run correctly. Otherwise, your engine may not be efficient and not as powerful as well, because according to the RPMs, it moves a flap on the inside of the intake, so it can create a vortex and that creates more torque and horsepower. So remove the second bolt and this is it guys. If you look at it, that actuator is out of here just like that. Now we will make a video guys how to test the intake runner actuator, so check it out, it will be on our channel. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.